Ever wondered why some websites rank higher in search results than others? The secret sauce is SEO, or search engine optimization. It's the art and science of making your website more visible and attractive to search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. In 2023, SEO is more important than ever. Why? Because search engines are constantly evolving, striving to provide the best results to their users. Staying updated with SEO is essential to ensure your website stays competitive and relevant. Now that we understand why SEO is crucial, let's dive into some top SEO tips for 2023. Firstly, keyword research. This is the bedrock of SEO. It's all about unearthing the terms and phrases your audience uses when hunting for your content. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you uncover these precious keywords. Next, high-quality content. Once you've found your keywords, it's time to create engaging, valuable content around them. Whether it's insightful articles, captivating videos, or interactive infographics, remember, content is king. Now, on-page SEO optimization. This includes fine-tuning your web page elements like title tags, meta descriptions, and headings to include your target keywords, helping search engines understand your content better. Lastly, having a mobile-friendly design is non-negotiable in 2023. With the boom in smartphone usage, Google prioritizes sites that are responsive and user-friendly on all devices. Remember, your website needs to be not only search engine friendly, but also user-friendly. Ready for more SEO tips? Let's continue. Page speed is a significant factor in SEO. A slow-loading website can frustrate users and lead to higher bounce rates. Optimize your site's speed to provide a seamless user experience. Next, let's talk about backlinks. These are links from other websites to yours. Think of them as votes of confidence that signal to search engines your content is valuable and trustworthy. Social signals are also essential. Shares, likes, and comments on social media platforms can indirectly boost your SEO by driving more traffic to your site. Don't forget the importance of regular updates. Search engines love fresh content. Keep your existing content updated and relevant to maintain or even improve your rankings. Lastly, make sure to monitor your website's performance. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track your traffic, user behavior, and rankings. With these SEO tips and tricks, you're now equipped to boost your website's visibility and ranking. So, what's the secret to rank in 2023? It's about mastering the basics and staying updated with SEO trends. From conducting keyword research, creating high-quality content, optimizing on-page SEO, to ensuring a mobile-friendly design and focusing on page speed. Don't forget the power of backlinks, the influence of social signals, the need for regular updates, and the importance of analytics. Remember, SEO is an ongoing effort, not a one-time task. Stay consistent, keep learning, and you'll see your website climb the ranks in 2023.